Imagine the tantalizing aroma of wood-fired pizza wafting through your backyard, drawing friends and family to gather around a crackling fire. This Pizzello outdoor pizza oven with fired 2-layer pizza maker is more than just a cooking appliance. It's a lifestyle upgrade that turns ordinary gatherings into unforgettable feasts. Whether you're hosting a lively barbecue, planning a cozy camping trip, or surprising loved ones with a unique gift, this portable pizza oven delivers restaurant-quality results with ease. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why the Pizzello outdoor pizza oven is a must-have for pizza enthusiasts, outdoor cooks, and anyone who loves to entertain. Let's dive into what makes this oven a sizzling addition to your culinary arsenal. Solving common outdoor cooking challenges. Outdoor cooking often comes with hurdles. Uneven heat, long cooking times, and bulky equipment that's a hassle to move. The Pizzello outdoor pizza oven tackles these issues head-on. Its wood-fired design delivers authentic, smoky flavors that elevate your pizzas, steaks, and veggies beyond what a standard grill can achieve. The 2-layer cooking system ensures you can whip up multiple dishes at once, cutting down wait times at parties. Plus, its lightweight, portable build means you can bring pizzeria-quality meals to any setting. Whether it's your backyard, a campsite, or a friend's patio, say goodbye to soggy crusts and hello to crispy, perfectly charred pies. Why choose the Pizzello outdoor pizza oven? The Pizzello outdoor pizza oven is engineered for versatility, efficiency, and convenience, making it a standout choice for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. Here's a closer look at its standout features and benefits that make it a top contender in the world of outdoor pizza ovens. Generous cooking capacity. With 288 square inches of cooking space, this oven can handle 2 12-inch pizzas simultaneously or accommodate larger dishes like a whole chicken by removing the middle rack. Perfect for family dinners, BBQs, or holiday gatherings like Thanksgiving or Christmas. Lightweight and portable. Weighing just 24.2 pounds, the Pizzello oven is easy to lift and move, thanks to its sturdy handle and compact dimensions. 21.3-inch W x 25.8 H x 12.4 D. It fits effortlessly into a car trunk, making it ideal for camping, picnics, or tailgating. High-efficiency cooking. The 2-layer design allows you to cook multiple dishes at once, reducing wait times and keeping the party vibe alive. The oven heats up to 752 degrees Fahrenheit, 400 degrees Celsius in just 20 to 25 minutes, delivering perfectly cooked pizzas in as little as 60 seconds. Precise temperature control. Adjustable vents on the door and chimney let you fine-tune the fire's intensity, ensuring consistent heat distribution. Pro tip: place the pizza stone on the lower layer for optimal heat when cooking 2 pizzas at once. Complete accessory kit. The Pizzello comes with everything you need to get started. A 12-inch cordierite pizza stone, a stainless steel pizza peel, a waterproof cover, a cooking grill grate, and an ashtray for easy cleanup. No need to purchase extras. Versatile fuel options. Use wood, pellets, or charcoal to achieve that authentic smoky flavor. Customers rave about using cherry wood or oak pellets for a rich, aromatic taste that elevates every dish. Durable and easy to maintain. Crafted from premium steel with a special coating, the oven resists fingerprints and is easy to clean with a quick wipe. The included waterproof cover protects it from the elements, ensuring long-lasting performance. User-friendly assembly. Setup is a breeze, taking just 5 minutes with no complicated tools required. Even beginners can start cooking mouth-watering pizzas right away. Benefits that set the Pizzello apart. The Pizzello outdoor pizza oven isn't just about cooking. It's about creating memorable experiences. Here are the top benefits that make it a game-changer. Restaurant-quality results at home. Achieve crispy, leopard-spotted crusts and perfectly melted toppings with the oven's high heat and even air circulation, rivaling your favorite pizzeria. Time-saving efficiency. The 2-layer design and rapid heating, 700-degree F+ in 20 to 25 minutes, mean you can serve hot, fresh food faster, keeping guests happy and satisfied. Portability for any adventure. At just 24.2 pounds with foldable legs and a carry bag, this oven is your go-to for camping, backyard BBQs, or impromptu gatherings anywhere. Real customer experiences. Customers can't stop raving about the Pizzello outdoor pizza oven. One user shared, "We had a blast making pizzas at our campsite. It heated up quickly, and the pizzas were crispy and delicious. Better than takeout." Another noted, "The two-layer design is a lifesaver for parties. We cooked pizzas and veggies at the same time, and everyone was impressed." While some users mentioned a learning curve with temperature control, they found that using a thermometer and wood pellets helped achieve perfect results. The consensus? This oven delivers incredible value for its price and performance. Why now is the time to buy? The Pizzello outdoor pizza oven is more than a cooking tool. It's a gateway to creating lasting memories with friends and family. Whether you're hosting a summer barbecue, planning a cozy fall gathering, or gifting it for the holidays, this oven delivers unmatched versatility, portability, and flavor. With its durable construction, comprehensive accessory kit, and ability to cook everything from pizzas to whole chickens, it's a worthy investment for any food lover. Don't miss out on transforming your outdoor cooking game. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.